So as you can see, here's the frame. It's all painted. Right now what I'm doing is I'm taking off the tape off the swing arm. My goal is to get this tire here, change the rear sprocket, and put some other things here, little parts that I took off and I was painting. So that's what my goal is for today. So let's get to it. Tape is off the swing arm. Alright, this is what I have so far. I put everything, the little pieces, the pegs, the plastic, the other peg, and I took this wheel off right now. So since I have the wheel off, I'm going to change the sprocket because I bought it. They're 12mm nuts, and then you kind of have to hold these up because they come down, as you can see. But what I don't know is, I think I'm gonna have to put grease. I've never messed with these, so as you can see, it's a bearing in there, so I'm gonna try to put a bunch of grease in there so it stays how it's supposed to. So let's go get the new sprocket. Well, we're gonna be looking for some torque specs right now. Okay, so here's our new sprocket compared to the old one. Let's see. The old one was not bad, but I thought might as well change it. I got grease. I put the grease in here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the sprocket to it. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this because these come out, as you can see. First, it's gonna gently tighten it, and then once they're holding the sprocket, I'll start tightening to specs, which is 52 foot-pound of torque, so 52 the max. So get yourself a torque gun and torque it to specs. Also here I put grease in there as well, so let's get to it. Okay, so my camera has it ran out of charge and I didn't know, so let me keep you guys updated of what I've done. I put the tire here. I don't know where the camera ended, so I already put the tire here. I put all these little parts in the rod. I torqued the sprocket to spec. I put the new brake pads in, and now I was just gonna put like the safety pins in there. I'm gonna torque these to spec and put locking Loctite. Put some Loctite in it, and then once I put Loctite in it, make sure everything's tight to where it's supposed to be. And I think this is where I'm gonna stop for now, so I have enough time to enjoy my day. So let's just finish what I got and go from there. Okay, so far I got the back end like put together. My GoPro keeps running out of battery, so I'm gonna start cleaning up. I already have the brake pads, brake caliper all torqued up. I got the new sprocket in. I got all these parts put on. Like I said, I got this plastic, all these middle parts, components, all that put together. So next thing that I'm gonna do is remove that chain. And then after that, I'm gonna bleed the rear brakes. After I bleed the rear brakes, I'll take the seat out of this, start taking some rear plastics and putting them over here. Obviously, you know, looking at the wiring harness and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do next. But for today, I'm done. See you on the next time I work on it. Peace. Okay, so I try to bleed the rear brake caliper, and good thing I did because all that came from the line. At first I started bleeding it and a little bit only came through the line, which is through up here with that swivel or nipple, and then the pedal got very hard. So I opened the reservoir, saw there was gunk, so then I took this one off and there's a little hole. You can't see it, but it comes through this line straight through here, through the middle. And it was closed. I couldn't see anything, so I got a piece of metal, and I tried to open it, and it opened, and then all this gunk started coming out. So good thing I bled it. Now I'm gonna put it back here and bleed it the proper way. So I'm gonna get to it now. Okay, very quick. I spent about an hour just trying to take the seat off. I was already taking everything off. Okay, every normal motorcycle, you come here, you have your key, turn the key, seat comes out. This one, I thought the same thing. Turn the key, seat comes out. But look at this, back here. It has the second one. And, I don't know if you can see through there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Here, there's another cable. And it has another thing that you pull. And as you can see, that comes out. So if you're having this issue, it might have two locking mechanisms for your seat. And then under the seat, it has the one and then the two. So just look out for that. Very quick, this is the next day. I'm gonna show you what I got so far. So I took headlights, the cable, and the turn signals. I changed it over here. These are brand new turn signals. The guy that I bought it from had them there, so I was like, I'm gonna put the brand new turn signals on. Move the battery over here. I still have to get all the cables. You know, I might take the tank next and all that, but I have to bleed more the brakes, the rear brake fluid, because that dirty stuff came from it. So I'm gonna see if I can move all these stuff again. So, hey buddy, are you okay? Oh. But yeah, what I'm gonna do, so let's get to it.